Hey there, I've got the base of the T-54 nearly built. This is starting to get painted up, so I've done a lot of spray work on the engine, but this was just sprayed up last night. Got a lot of details to put in, but it's so different to the other ones. You've got a whole completely different suspension system. You don't have a turntable. These are just the differences you notice so far. The engine seems like it's the same, but if there's a lot more differences to come, it would be worthwhile just to get, because it's such a different tank to the other T-54s. You can really see the improvements they made. But there's a lot of other things about it, you know, on the turret especially. The turret is the extreme difference. And there's a lot of things that just don't seem to work or whatnot that they changed. But it does looks really cool, doesn't it? I've just got to put one little part on these things here. It's just a tiny little part. You can see that just there. But yeah, these work, the suspension works. The gear stick looks really good. Yeah, really happy with how this Miniart T-54-1 is coming out. Gonna paint the ammo and all the fire extinguishers separately. You don't need to worry about getting rid of the ejection marks, they all get covered. This is a bit of a wasted space here in the T-54, I reckon, because the ammo comes to about here. But yeah, it looks really cool. I like it a lot. But there, the suspension was a lot different to the other ones. It's you got to join these two together. So you stick it into that part and glue it together, but then that comes out and through the other side of this one, and then this one comes through to the other side of this one, and that's where you stick in the parts. Where the newer ones are different, they go straight through, but the actually sticks into the side part of it. And the next engine I'll build much better, but they look pretty good. Miniart have done a pretty good job on them. Alright, highly recommend Miniart's T-54-1. I'll see you again.